Welcome back to the InboundREM YouTube channel. My name is Robert Newman. I am the founder of InboundREM. I'm a lifetime veteran of sales and marketing operations. I've run call centers for Sprint and AT&T, MCI, Girls Gone Wild, and many other brands. I've consulted with many brands, and currently for the last 16 years, I've focused on digital with a specialty in real estate. I help residential real estate agents use things like SEO and video SEO and hyperlocal SEO in order to make money and create evergreen strategies that they own and control so they can get off the carousel of real estate marketing companies that just take as much money as possible and oftentimes leave you in the dust when they're successful. All right, so today we're going to talk about some keywords that you can use for SEO that work every time, okay? There's just a couple that are consistent across every market, no matter where you are, and I'm going to give them to you in this video. All right, this is a thing for Google, okay? Living in and moving to. These are two keywords that consistently work across every market. They have high traffic. They're, if you were to ask me about a strategy, I'd say do a blog post or do an article. And you can do, the article should be about 3,000 to 5,000 words. You can include photos, maps, restaurants, schools, neighborhoods, everything that anybody that is relocating will want to know, you'd want to include in this article. But here's what separates the winners. Authenticity. Demonstrate over and over again that you actually live there, that you actually know it, that you grew up there, that you understand the area in a way that somebody doesn't. Tell stories about things that aren't there anymore. Tell stories about things that are coming that people really, most casual people would not know. Add video tours. Drop in real estate client reviews. Make it real. This is how you dominate local SEO, generate leads, build trust before you ever get a call. And doing all those things, get 2 more calls. I've been Robert Newman. I've built 7-figure businesses helping real estate professionals rank, and this strategy works in every market. Thank you.